Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to find inverse functions. So let's get started. Now for the first one, we have a quadratic equation. If you watch my previous videos about how to verify whether a function has inverse or not, we know for sure if it's quadratic function, such as this one, if we do it graphically, it will fail the horizontal line test. Okay? It will fail horizontal line test. Why? Because it has two intersections over here. Okay? So that's why we conclude it has no inverse. But in this case, we have several restriction. So since x element of real number and x is greater equal minus 2. Okay, what does it mean? It means that if we sketch the function over here, okay, so minus 2, 3, somewhere here, maybe I sketch it like this. Okay, so this is x, this is y, minus 2, 3 somewhere here, I guess. Okay, so 3 minus 2. So we have, supposedly, if we don't have this restriction, the function should be like this. Okay, this is our gx. This is our gx, sorry. Now the problem is we have this restriction. It means that greater than minus 2. So it means that we don't want this part. So it leaves us with this one. Okay, maybe I use blue color. So this curve only. So this is our gx actually. So since this is our function, when we do horizontal line test, it pass lah. You see, because only one intersection point. When you move the line, when we move this y equals k up and down, also touches at one point. So therefore, gx has an inverse. So let's find the inverse. Okay, how to find the inverse? First step, we have to maybe I do it over here. Let g inverse x equals x. Okay, now it means that we insert g inverse as the objects. So what the gx is? Gx is square of x plus 2. Okay, equals not yet. Okay, now but the problem is this is the object we changed already, so we have to change this into g inverse x, like this. Okay, equals x. Then it's correct lah. Now from here we can proceed solve for g inverse x. Okay, now what we do, we need to lose this square by taking a square root both sides. So we have a square root of x and then g inverse x plus 2. And g inverse x equals square root of x minus 2. So this is the inverse of gx. Okay, so this is the first one. Now let's move on to the second one. For b, this one, so I padam all. Okay, now for b, we have fx. So we let f inverse x equals x. Okay, maybe this one I use different color. Okay, that one minus 1. Okay, that's good. So first thing first, what is fx? Fx is 3x plus 5. Okay, now but we change the x to f inverse. So we change them, this one lah. Okay, then we can write equals to x. Now we solve for f inverse. So 3f inverse x equals x minus 5. Therefore, f inverse x equals x minus 5 over 3. So this is the inverse for the second one. Okay, let's move on to the third one. hx. Let hx inverse x equals x. Hx equals x. Correct. Okay, now this one, put blue lah, like this. Write in blue lah. Like this. Okay, now let's define this h first. This h is x cubed plus 1. Okay, but we change the bracket. Okay, we change x into this one, right? So h inverse equals x. So x minus 1. We have h inverse cube. And then we proceed with h inverse the cube root of x minus 1. So this is the answer for the third one. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the last one, number 4. Okay, so k. So we let k inverse equals x. Now, this one we change the color. This time I use red color lah. Okay, now what k is? K is a square root of x plus 9. But we change the x into k inverse x. Okay, so equals x lah. Now we want to lose the square root, so we square both sides. So we have x squared, we have k inverse x plus 9. Therefore, k inverse x equals x squared minus 9. So this is the answer for the last one. With that, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.